Want to spend less time switching between your phone and computer? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to improve your productivity with Google Messages for Web using practical features that help you reply faster, stay organized, and keep your workflow moving. Start by pairing your Android phone with Google Messages for Web. Once connected, you'll be able to send and receive messages directly from your computer without constantly reaching for your phone. Open Google Messages in a browser tab or install it as a desktop app if your browser supports it. Yeah, this keeps your conversations easily accessible while you're working on emails, documents, or other tasks. Typing on a full-size keyboard is usually much faster than using your phone. So use your computer to answer messages, share updates, and keep conversations moving without interrupting your workflow. When you need to find an older message, use the search feature to quickly locate contacts or keywords instead of scrolling through long conversation lists. If you need to send screenshots, photos, or supported files, attach them directly from your computer. This is especially useful when you're already working with files stored on your desktop. If you're using your own computer, you can stay signed in for quicker access. If you're using a shared or public device, always sign out when you're finished to keep your conversations secure. And that's how to improve productivity with Google Messages for Web. By using your computer for messaging, searching conversations, and sharing files, you can stay focused and get more done throughout the day. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more technology tutorials, and thanks for watching.